Yeah, see, uh, so here the cubic function. So I'm repeating again. Uh, the cubic function is the one whose power value is equal to is more than 3 is equal to 3. That is called a cubic function. So here we came to know that if x is equal to 1, how much we got it, and if x is equal to 0 also how much y value we got it. So therefore next we will do the on the minus side. That is if x is equal to minus 1, how much the y value, how much the y value, how much the y value. Okay, so here, so that is a 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So when you substitute the minus 1 in the equation, 4 into minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square. So 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 1. So you can take 4 as it is. Okay, 4 as it is. So here minus power minus 1 whole power 3 minus whole power 3. So here when we have like this minus 1 whole power 3, what it means, that is minus 1 into minus 1 into
Into minus.
minus 1. So you should consider that here minus into minus plus, right? Plus into
Plus.
minus minus.
Minus.
1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1 1. Okay, here, so here you will get it minus 1 minus 1 plus okay 3 into minus 1 into minus 1. How much, how much will get it? Here minus 1 whole square minus 1 into minus 1. So here minus into minus plus.
Plus.
Okay, 1 into 1 1 plus 1. So here you can write okay. So here plus into minus minus 2 into 1 2 plus 1. So here plus into minus minus 4 into 1 4. Yeah. So here minus 4. So here plus into plus plus 3 into 1 3. So as you can take minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So you can add the negative values as well as positive values once. So here minus 6 plus 4 is equal to how much will get it? Minus 2. Okay. Have you understood that? Yes, please. Vandana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then next if you take if x is equal minus 2. So how much the y value? Okay. So your y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. So simply you can substitute 4 as it is minus 2 whole power 3 plus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 why it is stucking here. Yeah, plus 2 minus 2 plus 1, right? So then here so here you can take 4 as it is minus 2 whole power 3. So here minus 2 whole power 3. What it means, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, right? So minus into minus plus plus into minus minus 2 into 2 4 4 into 2 8. Have you got it or plus?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3. So here minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. So here plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. Okay. So here plus into minus, minus 4 into 8, 32, plus into plus, plus 3 into 4, 12. Minus plus 1. So we can add the positive values here. Here 1 only, plus 1. Okay, plus 1. So here this is the minus value, this is the minus, this is the plus, and this is the plus. Okay, so here the minus values are minus 36, plus values are 13. So minus 23 will come, right? Have you understood that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
here, same thing, if you take that, if x is equal to 3 also, you will get it. So meanwhile you can do it, if x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to how much? Okay, so you will get it around y is equal to minus 86. Why it is talking here? Minus minus 86. Okay, so here we can take the values of x and y only, then we'll come to know that what is the type, what is the shape of the curve. So I'm going to remove this one. So have you taken this one, this spot? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to take the. So you can take straight line, not like me. Okay. This is minus y. This is y. This is x. This is minus x, right? So before taking that values, also you should take the values. If x is equal to 0, how much y value? So can anybody can tell me that x value and y values, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. If x is equal to 0, how much?
1.
Yes, please.
Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1.
If x is equal to 0, how much y value?
1, sir.
1. Plus
Sir.
1?
Yes, sir. Plus 1.
Yeah. Yeah, next. If x is equal to 1?
Y equal to 10, sir.
10. If x is equal to 2?
Y equal to 49.
Yes, please.
49, sir.
49. Okay. 3?
142, sir.
142.
$142, right? Yeah. Mean minus 1?
Minus 2, sir.
Minus
2.
10.
2, 2.
2. Sorry.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. When x is equal to minus 2?
Minus 23.
23, right? Sorry. Yeah, 23. Here minus 86, right?
Yes.
Okay. So here. So next you can take that y values are highest is 142 and this is only 3. Here 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, 1, 2. Okay. So y is equal highest 142 no. So you will take 50, 50, 50, 100, 150. Okay. So you're same 50, 100, 150. Okay. So here minus 50, minus 100, minus 150, right? So when x is equal to 0, how much y value? When x is equal to 0, the y value are only 1. Y value are only 1. See, somewhere here it may come, right? The positive side.
Yes.
Okay. For example, here. Okay. Then x is equal to 1. What is the y value? 10. See, example here, for example, you can assume that this is a 10, this is a 1. Okay. Then x is equal to 49. Okay. Then x is equal to 3, 149. Sorry, 142.
142.
Yeah. Then x is equal to minus 1. How much y value?
Minus
Minus 2, right? So somewhere here. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal.
Minus 23.
23.
Sorry. Here I took plus side.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. This is a plus sign. Yeah. Next, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 23, right? Okay. For example, you can take 23. Then y is equal to minus 3. Sorry, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 86. So here 3 is here, 86 somewhere here it may be around the 100. For example, here you can assume that here 86, right? So these are the points. So I'm going to share with other color. This is the 1 point. This is the 1 point. Okay, what was the option? Not working properly. Yeah. Here, and here, right? So these are the points. Okay, so we should add all the points. For example, here. So then you can write here. Have you got it? So we may get perfect
Yes, sir.
one because I'm not able to draw perfectly on the digital pad. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is about the cubic function. See, on the base of the graph only we'll come to know that this is not a straight line, it is a curvilinear. Is a straight line? It is not a straight line. So you will get a line, but it's not a straight line. That is called curvilinear. Curvilinear. Yeah. Still anybody the doubt regarding to this one today?
No, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, we have to learn.
Hello?
Sir, we have to learn the function of y is equals to a square, ax cube, and bx square plus c.
Jasmine, can you? I'm not able to properly hear. So can you
Sir,
increase
we
your
have
volume?
to learn the function of cubic.
Hello?
quadratic
Jasmine,
equation of cubic. Yes, sir.
can you increase your volume, please? Or else you can speak loudly.
Sir,
Are you
we
breakfast
have
or
to
not?
learn the. What, sir?
Have you done breakfast or not?
Sir, I have done breakfast.
Yeah, just speak loudly.
Sir, we have to learn quadratic equation like fx, ax square, and bx plus c.
Yeah,
That equation. We have to learn that.
yeah. Just you cannot bother about it. For example, if they will give the what if sometime they may ask the question, what is meant by function? Explain different types of functions. Okay, so you should write what is meant by function and what is the types of functions. So sometime they may ask the questions in order to understand that. So whether the which type of function is a straight line function or straight line equation. So you should come to know that, for example, if I say linear equation is a straight line. So would you like to remember? Would you like to accept it? Whether linear function is only straight line, non-linear, why not non-linear functions? So this is called we can say the empirical verification. So whether which type of function we will get a straight line or not a straight line. So it doesn't matter that quadratic function nothing but simple if the power is equal to, that is called a quadratic.
Okay, sir.
Randomly you can give any number. For example, here randomly I have given the 4x cube, 2x cube plus 4x. If you write here 6x cube or here 2x square, here somewhere 6x, you will get the different types of different kind of graph, but which is not a straight line. But you will get a curve, but which is not a straight line. It may not come like this. If you take the curve, I'm going to give the example also. Then you will do practice. Then you will come to know that. So I'm not a guarantee. I'm not say that you should take only 4x cube and 3x square and 2x. You should take any number. Then you will get a curve, but which is not a straight line. I hope you understood. Am I clear or did I clarify
Yes,
your doubt?
sir.
Still, have you doubt? Any doubt? Do you have?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just you can go through this. Just a minute.